In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use scripts in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're looking to automate certain tasks or enhance your workflow with custom functions, knowing how to install scripts is an essential skill for any Illustrator user. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to integrate scripts seamlessly into your creative process. To begin, ensure that Adobe Illustrator is completely closed. This is crucial because you need Illustrator to be fully shut down for it to recognize and integrate new scripts the next time it starts. If you have it open, just take a moment to save your work and close the application. Once you've ensured Illustrator is not running, let's move on to locating your script file. Typically, script files for Illustrator will be in a JavaScript format, commonly with a JS extension. Having your file ready will make the process smoother as we proceed. Next, you want to navigate to the drive where Illustrator is installed on your computer. This is usually your main drive, often labeled as the C drive on Windows systems. You'll need direct access to your Adobe Illustrator installation folder. Once you're in the correct drive, find your way to the folder that corresponds to your current version of Adobe Illustrator. If you're unsure, you can usually find this information by checking your Illustrator settings or About page. Now, within the Illustrator installation folder, you'll need to look for the presets directory. This part is crucial because the folders here determine how your version of Illustrator will behave and what resources it has access to. Go ahead and open it, and you'll see a series of language-named folders. Choose the language folder you're using. For instance, if you're working in English, you'll select the NUS folder. This ensures that scripts are applied within the context of your selected language. Inside the language folder, there will be a directory labeled Scripts. This is where the magic happens. It is the home for all additional scripts you want Illustrator to use. Open this folder, and you are ready for the final step. Take your previously located script file. Remember, it's usually a JS file, and copy it to the scripts folder. Simply paste it in, and you're good to go. To make use of your new script, you'll need to relaunch Adobe Illustrator. Once it's open, navigate to the File menu. Underneath it, you'll see a menu item labeled Scripts. Click on it, and you should find your script listed and ready for action. Now, you're all set to harness the power of scripts in Adobe Illustrator, enhancing both productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy illustrating!